Well, that's good.
They're compact.
Same thing with them, you know. I talked to him. I've actually given him a phone call about maybe 5 weeks ago.
Hey, who's the charge here? What are we doing?
I'm waiting.
Get my roof together.
That's pretty.
Basically, everything is here. Got a power cord hanging out. Once we get the table, we'll pick it up. The 2 antennas connect on the back of the ports. Everything's packed in here. Microphones, everything. Table, we'll pick it up and connect it up.
Yeah.
Only need one microphone?
5
Yeah,
microphones.
it's 5.
Okay.
And 1 desk mic.
Okay.
Very, very simple. It's 4 mobiles that act as 4 mobiles.
Okay.
There's 2 UHF and 2 VHF. And then there's 1 controller
I was the one
that can allow them all to just be used as independent
That would be my
radios,
fault.
or can have any one of them talk to any other one of them or all of them.
And they all crossband.
And they'll all crossband. Correct. You can simulcast on all 4. You can simulcast on all 4. Or you can have it bring 2 together and keep 2 in simulcast. I don't think we do. In mind.
You can cross-link VHF to VHF?
No.
Well,
yes.
yes, you can if you can have enough separation.
If we can separate the antennas enough,
Yeah.
then we can go V to V as well.
Okay, so
So it can act somewhat as a repeater.
as long as we adhere to the laws of physics, we're okay.
Right.
This one?
I don't think we're gonna power it up.
Why not?
Right. Because I don't want to yell over it.
It's caught out the front.
Can we power this up?
Yeah, we will. We will.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't do you, I just did B.
It's the hard part.
Everything with B's, all right?
Plugging it in.
Well, it's plugged in. I mean, I don't know if that,
No, so that's the hard part.
if that's juice back there. I tried that before.
Those are,
GFI.
I don't know which ones they want to talk. I have all the others.
Power here?
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
I don't want to have to yell over
I got 65.
mine's actually made for
There's only 43 for this thing.
Generator's not on, so there's no power in it.
No power yet.
Alright, we didn't pay the bill.
I was afraid to delete anything. Might need to in the future.
We went up to Alcadelli site.
Did you? Prado?
Oh, yeah. 300 on just so we have yeah, so they did some software stuff too. And also did the fan monitoring, so he says that well, no, not
No, with the other stuff that's out there.
Right now we have 2 simplex linked to our computer on the tower here.
Get on it. We're just gonna make it bigger.
So going up to 445.
Well, let me slowly bring it out. Oh yeah, we're ready to go for that. But well,
the repeater's not gonna stay.
I'm gonna put we're just doing it for now, but I'm gonna put a 14 dB preamp, but we needed a pin. He's got a 6 dB attenuator. We're gonna put that on the receipt.
Yes, they are.
See the blue?
Three of them, all the blue ones.
Oh, I got you. 3 and 4 are all together. 1, 3, and 4 are linked together. They're all blue. Two is not. Two is up. By itself.
That commissioner told me
There's 3 colors. There's blue, red, and green. I think.
Yes.
So you can have 3 separate circuits. Gotcha. Like these 2 right now are blue, and these 2 could be red. You know. That's correct. Now I remember. I'll go back and forth.
This is stuff all the time.
There's no colors here. They're all separately. Right.
Correct. You can use one by itself with this desk mic, or you can pick up the hand mic and use it.
And then they're all blue. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. It's still by itself.